सबसे इंटरेस्ट है कि आफ्टर मतलब आई हैव वर्किंग विद देम पता नहीं कितने साल, आई इवन डोंट रिमेम्बर माय फर्स्ट सॉन्ग विद देम ओनली इन 95 और 95 से 2001 ऑलमोस्ट 25 इयर्स। तो ये मेरा बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस होने वाला है। आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड एंड माय पेरेंट्स हर्षदीप इज हियर, वी ऑल कनेक्टेड टू ईच अदर, सूफी से भी। सो ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग कॉन्सेप्ट होने वाला है। सूफी तो
और सूफी से भी,
सूफी के साथ सूफी, इट्स सूफी एंड सूफी,
यस, फॉरएवर अटैच्ड टू।
सो ये जो लाइनअप है वो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग, लोगों के लिए बहुत ज्यादा एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी, बहुत सुपर एक्साइटिंग एक्सपीरियंस होने वाला है। क्योंकि सूफी तो है ही, हम ट्रॉनिक और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक, ये तड़का तो बस कमाल होने वाला है।
बिल्कुल कमाल।
यहाँ पर है।
हाँ वही मैंने ऐसे कहा, ऐसे। और साथ हमारे राज साहब,
हमारे जो ये ओरिजिनल तड़का वहाँ पे खड़े हैं, Akbar Sami.
So good to see you.
It's so good to see you. Are you excited about this gig?
Super duper excited. It's been so many years that I've been going to the US and performing, and this is the first time that something like this has come up. Sufitronics, my God. Khan, thank you so much. It's the first time I'm interacting with you, working with you. So this is going to be fabulous. This is going to be a next level. It's going to create, I think, a new sound in the music industry, for sure.
It is, and a whole new experience. Raj, you've been coming up with a lot of your singles. Congratulations on those.
Thank you so much. It's such an honor to be sharing stage with these people. I've grown up listening to their music and learning from them.
एक मिनट, इतने भी छोटे
उम्र से नहीं, तजुर्बे से तो है, उम्र से ना हो।
इतने भी छोटे नहीं हो, हमें पता है तुम्हारी एज नहीं।
As artists, I was thinking about this on the way here that when we make music in the studio, हमने इतने सारे singles हम release करते हैं, उसका जो अगला पड़ाव होता है, that's always performing that music in front of an amazing audience. So the fact that एक बहुत ही impossible dream हमें लग रहा था पिछले 2 साल से कि अब पता नहीं कब shows होंगे, and the fact that we have Karl Bhai and Anand Bhai and the entire team of Showfest that has created this platform for us as artists as well as the audiences. I just want to thank you and your entire team for doing this, and we are really excited. And पिछले 2 साल के जो भी पढ़ाई है हमारी परफॉर्म करने की,
मुझे भी अच्छा लग रहा है।
Showfest में उतरने वाली। So thank you so much for having me here.
Now, this is very hard to believe, but this gorgeous girl here is a new mom. Congratulations to you, Harshdeep. I can't even believe that's happened because I've known her for so long. I'm so happy for you. How does it feel to get back out there on tour?
well, it feels wonderful, and you have that extra energy that you have as a new mother. So all the energy that I have gained, I'm just throwing it out on the stage. I've already started performing, but it's something different about a concert with this wonderful concept and such lovely musicians and such lovely people. Firstly, I would like to congratulate Anand and Karl Bhaji for this new concept. I think it's the very first time that such a thing is happening, and to be a part of it, of the very first venture, I think I'm very fortunate to be a part of it. And as performers, we look forward to performing in front of the audience. It's like another high. It's what an artist dreams for. But to travel with a team who's even better, a team that comprises of lovely people, great human beings, all these people, and I would say
insane amount of
such good people. So I think it will be more like a party, right, Baji? So I'm really looking forward to it.
वैसे यहाँ पे सब म्यूजिक के महारत ही खड़े हैं. They're also incredibly talented, and we have this young absolute jewel that we have. कैसे हो आप? It's so lovely to see you finally meet you. मैं सबको जानती हूँ, आपसे पहली बार मुलाकात हो रही है. Huge fan.
इससे तो सोफिया गाना ही गवा दोगी.
मैं वही कहने वाली थी कि सबने बातें बहुत कर ली है, लेकिन ये जो है हमारा असली जूड़ जो यहाँ पे खड़ा हुआ है, ये बातों से नहीं, ये मौसीकी से अपनी बात है.
तो मुझे बोलना ही सीधा गाना है.
आप कुछ बोल भी दो ऐसे.
So सबसे पहले तो काल सर थैंक यू सो मच, और बस यही कहना चाहता हूँ कि जो मेरे साथ पूरी लाइन खड़ी है, मैं सभी का बहुत बड़ा फैन हूँ और ये ऐसी महान हस्तियों के साथ में मुझे काम करने का, मुझे गाने का एक मौका मिल रहा है। सलीम सर के साथ मेरा एक सपना था कि कब मैं इनके साथ में किसी लाइव शो में गाऊंगा और वो सपना मेरा पूरा होने जा रहा है। काल सर, सबसे पहले आपको थैंक यू बोलना चाहता हूँ उसके लिए, एंड बहुत बड़ा खुशनसीब हूँ कि ऐसे महारथियों के साथ काम करने का मौका मिल रहा है। बस ज्यादा कुछ नहीं कहूँगा, इतना बोलना भी नहीं आता। थैंक यू सो मच।
अब सलीम सर आपको कह रहे हैं कि आपको थोड़ा कुछ गाना, मैंने नहीं कहा, सलीम सर ने कहा है आपको कुछ गाना।
ठीक है, मैं 2 लाइन गा देता हूँ। मैं भूमि 2020 में एक कव्वाली गाई थी, अली अली, उसकी 2 लाइन गाऊंगा मैं। अली अली या अली हक अली, 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 मुश्किल कुशा मौला अली, अली अली या अली हक अली, अली अली या अली हक अली।
And take the Bollywood shows to the next level, where we can compare ourselves to the Hollywood shows and the Broadway shows and bring in new experience for the customers. So that is the whole intent behind the whole project that we've created, which is the win-win ecosystem, where we can bring in the customers from all walks of life in terms of Indians and North Americans all across in US, and bring them and give them the experience which goes beyond the entertainment and take them through the whole year experience. So the Show Fest is just not a live entertainment company where we just organize these shows, and the shows which will go across the whole year, which means when a customer comes and buys a Show Fest membership, they will be organized, they will be getting the experience every single month, that is the live experience, plus they will also get a lot of additional perks and the discount vouchers and loyalty offers and much more. So that's what the whole Show Fest is. It's a win-win ecosystem from the customer to the organizers and even for the artist. It's a one-stop solution for everything.
Hello everybody. So I'm into this business in US from last 12 years. So all these years we was getting artists, we was trying through this management companies, and then we used to buy from them, we used to go there back and sell the shows in the different cities to the different promoters, and we have to struggle a lot while traveling, while getting the labor in US, while doing all other stuff, venues and all. So the Show Fest has come up with the idea where we will be having all in-house venues booked from the first of the years for whole year. The labor should be our own, the production companies will be our own, and then like all centralized in-house hotels, travels, everything. So doing this was the only idea that it should be an organized sector, which it was never. So plus the audience was not that happy in US with the Bollywood shows, because they was all substandard